Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you guys what our room looked like at Rio Palace, Costa Mujeres, right outside of Cancun. So our room number was 4095. So pretty much you take the elevators up to the 4th floor, which is the highest floor, and this is the view right before entering the room. Now we do have an ocean view room with a king bed. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you walk in, this is the back of the door. And then if you turn slightly, there's the toilet in a separate room. Everything is very clean, very updated. If I'm not mistaken, this all-inclusive resort is only a few years old. So you can definitely feel, smell, see the newness throughout the entire room. Something that I do find interesting is that you have to place your key card into this slot in order for the lights to turn on, the AC to start working, the fan to start working. Yeah, so if you don't put it in there, nothing will turn on. Which is, I mean, it helps you not lose your key, and at least you know it's right next to the door. So right here is the shower. Again, everything feels clean and new. It's also very, very, very spacious. Also have these really cool cubby holes, which are fairly deep, so you can put your shower gel, your body wash, your towels in there, and it won't get wet. So definitely a cool little feature. Now this is really different, having a tub not in an enclosed space and just out in the open. But I mean, aesthetically it's cute. Like, I'm definitely here for it, but you know, just something to be mindful of if you're sharing a room with someone and you're wanting privacy. This tub will not give you that. Over here they do give you the complimentary lotions, conditioner, body shower gel, soaps, face towels, things of that nature. Everything is provided in the room. Here you do have the safe. There's closet space. There are 2 robes in there, ironing board, there's an iron, hangers to hang up your clothes if you would like. So lots of room to unpack it. There's also a blanket in the closet if you get cold. I used it a lot, but it's there if you need it. There's also a mini bar area, so this mini fridge is stocked with sodas, waters, beverages, and they restock them every day. Up top, you do have your coffee maker. And then you have a whole bar with liquor there. If you want to indulge, it is there right in your room for you to partake. Here's the thermostat. So this is just an overview of what the front half of your room looks like. So here's the bed. We did have a king-size bed. It was very firm and very uncomfortable, I will say that. So just a heads up, if you like firm mattresses, great. If not, it will be an issue, because it was an issue for me. Just a heads up. Also have outlets right next to your nightstand. Those were good enough for me. I didn't have too many things to plug in. They made cute little towel animals just for the first day though. I was anticipating more, but we did not receive those. The television was a decent size, and they also had some of the channels that we're accustomed to here in the States to watch. Right below you do have some drawers that you can fold things and put things into. Over to the side there is a sitting area. They did give us 3 towel cards, so whenever you're checking out towels for the beach or for the pool, you'll give them this key card, and then when you return the towels, they will give you them back. I did not notice that we had this map until the last day. But again, there's an app to download that has all of this in there as well. It just gives you timing of restaurants, but also where everything is located. So where I'm pointing right now, that's where we are currently at, facing the ocean. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe so you're not missing out. I do have a video that I posted right before this one of the entertainment, the food, the beach, things of that nature, so definitely tune in. This card, you're supposed to put it on the bed if you want the sheets changed. If you do not put it on the bed, the room service will still make up your bed, they just won't change the sheets. So just something to keep in mind. Over here, we do have another sitting area with this couch. And then last thing to show you guys is the view. On the door, there is like a latch lock, which can be missed if you're not looking too closely. But once you switch that over, that unlocks the door out to the balcony. You do have a drying rack and then 2 chairs and a table. This chair was a little dirty. I noticed that the first day and was like, yeah, no, not for this. But they do give you 2 chairs and a table. And our view, guys, was everything. Like, I think our location was perfect. Oh, there's the privacy. Those are up there, so you can't necessarily see who's on either side of you. But yeah, back to this view. This view is gorgeous. This day that I filmed, it was a little cloudy, but aside from that, we had beautiful weather the entire time that we were down there, the week prior to Christmas time. So absolutely gorgeous. Overall, especially with the room, we were very satisfied. Have absolutely no complaints. It was also equally as beautiful at nighttime. Again, we were there during the holiday season, so they did have Christmas decorations up. And that is all that I have for you guys. Again, I do have other videos that show the resort. I have one on excursions that's coming out soon. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure your notifications are on. Feel free to share this with a friend who might possibly consider going to this resort. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.